Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the Crocs closely. Check strap rivets, sole separation, and any surface cracks so you know what to fix. Once done, clean the shoe with mild soap and water and let it dry. Make sure to remove any debris inside crevices. Next, roughen the mating surfaces lightly with 120-220 grit sandpaper so adhesives stick. While you sand, prepare contact cement and clamps. Set up a ventilated space, because the adhesive fumes matter for both bond strength and safety. You now focus on straps and holes where the Crocs usually fail. First, lift the strap area and apply a small fabric patch under the base, then coat both sides with flexible adhesive. This spreads load and prevents repeat tearing. If a rivet is broken, replace it with a short plastic rivet or use marine epoxy through the stud hole, aligning the strap before the glue sets. For holes in the footbed, apply a compatible foam filler, let cure. Then sand and blend so walking comfort returns. You finish by reattaching the sole. Apply contact cement evenly to both the sole and shoe body, following the product's open time until tacky. This creates the strongest bond. Carefully align the sole, press firmly, and clamp across the shoe to maintain even pressure while curing. Do not walk on them until fully set. Once cured, trim any squeezed-out adhesive and flex the shoe to confirm resilience. If the bond starts to lift, make sure to clean, resand, and reapply adhesive. That fix usually resolves lifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.